sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right, but I heard a creak.
Just go back to sleep.
I'm always quick to rage.
So go back to your stage. Now I hear it.
Run. What's that sound? I know someone's there, hiding in the shadows, thinking I was unaware. Well, who's that I see? The birthday boy to be. Well, that's a minor mama. Hurry up before he's bolder. Oh, born, let's make this fun. You can't deter me this time, no, I'm done. I won't go back to my stage, it's my new trend. Well, let's go say hi to the new friend. I knew I was right to think I would find you over here. Well, isn't it intriguing that you seem to be just a little bit weary? Bon and me. Well, there's no need. We know you want to deactivate us, but we just can't let that happen. Every night, always, it never changes. We can make accidents happen. 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 We can make accidents happen.